Hi guys, welcome back. So let's do this question. This question says if 10 to the a, so I'm going to say 10 to the a equals 0.01%, so this is 0.01 over 100 because it's telling me that it's percent of, which is times 100 to the b. Okay, so I need to go ahead and rearrange this equation. Now, I know that 0.01 is also the same as writing it as 1 over 100 over 100 times 100b. My goal is to basically try to get the same exponent. So I'm trying to get 10 to the a equals to 10 to the something. So I can go ahead and solve, a and b. So from here, I can go ahead and say, oh, let me go ahead and fix that, that fraction. I'm going to put a 1 here. So I do the double C. So this is 10 to the a is equals to 1 over. Now look, there are 4 zeros. So I can say that that's 10 to the 4th times, instead of writing 100 to the b, I'm going to write 10 to the 2b, right? Because 10 times 10 is going to give me 100. Now from here, I'm going to have 10 to the a equals to 10 to the negative 4 because I'm bringing this to the top. So that's what the sign changes, times 10 to the 2b. Bingo. I can now get my exponential equation. So I can say from here that a is equals to negative 4 plus 2b. Now, I also know that a plus b is equals to 11. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to say that a is equals to 11 minus b. All what I did is that I moved b to the other side. So I can go ahead and substitute. Instead of writing here an a, I'm going to say 11 minus b equals negative 4 plus 2b. I'm going to put the b's together and the numbers together. So this is going to be 15 is equals to negative 3, actually positive 3b. And then b is going to be equals to 5. Beautiful. Now I know that if b is 5, remember a plus b is equals to 11, so that makes a equals to 6 because 6 plus 5 is 11. Almost there. Okay, and finally, find 2 times 8 minus b. This is 12 minus 5, which the answer then is C. It is a long problem, but here you practice percents, you practice exponential equations, and you also practice system of equations. So I hope you enjoy it.